Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Allaah Ta'ala, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely meal. Before having energy to cook the fried rice, they've already finished this chicken. They left it free for me to wash. Alhamdulillah, finally the rice is done after 2.5 hours. I got another chicken out. I put it in cold water to defrost. I think it has already finished defrosting, but I don't think I can go ahead and cook this tonight because I'm already tired. But I'll see whether after taking a break, maybe I will be able to clean it, then marinate it. I also got some fish out. That's red bean. I'm going to add some salt. It has not been cleaned, so I'm going to add salt and water, cold water to it, and leave it. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to clean it and season it. Next time I'm buying fish, inshallah, I'm going to tell the fisherman to help me remove the skin. That will save me a lot of energy. I hope I'm going to have the kind of energy that I have today, inshallah, to be able to sort these two out. I don't think I'm going to do any cleaning anymore tonight. Since I'm going to be leaving this tonight, so it's better I'll just add lemon juice to them. Alhamdulillah, the chicken has been cleaned one by one. Can you see how clean the water is? I've got 2.5 kg there, and I'm going to be using this seasoning. This garlic, ginger, white pepper, black pepper, chili flakes, chili powder, minced herb, barbecue season, curry. That's it. And I'll be using this, the chicken flavor Maggi. I'll add a little bit of oil to this. I did not add any cooking salt because I have used salt and lemon to clean the chicken, to soak the chicken and to clean it. Put this aside while I clean the fish. The chicken has been transferred to the oven tray. Alhamdulillah, I finished turning this, so it's high time I put it back in the oven for additional 20 minutes. The chicken has been in the oven for 20 minutes. Now it's time to turn it the other way around. Then I'll put it for another 20 minutes. Alhamdulillah, the chicken is done now.